welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Baba. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today's video, I am going to be sharing with you this beautiful realistic V-part wig from CurlsCurls. You guys, this is the best realistic wig that I have come across. And if you're interested in this wig, at the end of the video I'm going to leave everything that you need to know about this wig in the description down below. And before we get into the video, I also want to shout out to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much for sending me this wig. This is literally, you guys know exactly what I like, and you just did that. You know, you just did that. Anyway, so let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful wig on my hair. So I like to open the box with you guys as usual. This is the Kinky Curly V-part wig. It comes in this box and has a card with information on how to easily install this wig and also other additional clip-ins. And this is how the curls are popping, you guys. The curl pattern on this wig is the Kinky Curly 3C4A. It's very natural. It literally looks like your hair and there's no lace that is needed. This is a medium cap, has adjustable straps, and it's secured all around with clips, so there's no glue that is needed. It's very beginner friendly and affordable too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. Like literally, that's how easy it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly how I'm gonna install this in just less than 1 minute. So I already prepped my leftover hair, and this is the hair that I left, and it's just in mini twists, and just to give me that little bit of a pop and just blend it quite well with the wig. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on, and literally that took me like less than a minute, you guys. I was able to secure it super easy. And if you're like me and you're lazy and you just want to wake up, get going, this is the wig for you. It literally took me less than 1 minute for me to install. And if you have your hair already prepped, so much easier for you to blend in quite very well. I had mine in mini twists, so it kind of took a little bit long for me to unravel the twist, but for the wig it was super easy to install. I was able to pop it on. So for those of you who are interested, CurlsCurls has a Black Friday sale going on at the moment, and you can be part of their largest discount of the year through participating in the spin wheel to win yourself a free wig, and also the live shows during the Black Friday to get yourself a free gift. You can also check out their other products on their website. They have a ton of good quality wigs at affordable price, and all their products are easy to install and beginner friendly. So get browsing. So when it comes to styling this wig, it's pretty easy. I like to use water, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Cantu flaxseed gel to kind of elongate my curls, let them pop. As you can see, it's just a beautiful popping wig, and the curls are amazing. As you can see, it's very easy, and I went ahead and did all of that in the entire wig. I was able to apply the gel and a little bit of water, and that helped elongate some of these curls. So this wig is 18 inches long, so you can really work around it as much as you want. As for me, I just wanted it to blend in with my hair and show me some curls, and also let's see if it's gonna blend in with my my twists. But if you want to use gel, you can use gel to kind of like blend in your own hair into the wig. But for me, I just put my hair in these mini twists, and it was pretty easy for me to get the results that I wanted. And I'm also not a neat person when it comes to hair. Like, I don't want to slick hair. I like messy hair, so this was pretty much what I wanted, and it came out exactly how I wanted it. And as you can see, my hair would easily blend in with the wig, and it really looked natural as it should. And the curls were amazing on this wig, and my hair looked pretty good in this wig. It looked like my real hair, and it felt right. It was secured very well. I felt like I can swing around my hair and it was not going anywhere. So guys, that was it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this wig. And if you're interested, I'm gonna leave the details of this wig in the description and everything about CurlsCurls. You can also check them out on Instagram. And thank you so much, CurlsCurls, for sending me this beautiful wig. I love it. Until next time, guys, I love you. Thank you so much. Bye 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 bye.